What if I told you that a company has just secured 102 crores worth order from the Northwestern Railway and has plans to grow its bid pipeline to over 5,000 crores? This infrastructure powerhouse is capitalizing on the India's growth story. For over 2 years, the stock of the company has surged by an impressive 43%, reflecting investors' confidence in its future. The company has major contracts for railways and station upgrades, showcasing its strategic execution and potential for sustained growth. So stay tuned when we try to uncover the story behind this infrastructure powerhouse. So hello and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we spot through the noise and try to find out high potential small market companies. I'm Gauri Malik, equity research analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we'll discuss 3 companies that are making significant moves in their respective industries. Please note that this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So for today's lineup, we have International Conveyors Ltd, Vishnu Prakash R Punglia Ltd and Praveg Ltd. First up, International Conveyors Ltd. This niche player in the PVC conveyor belts recently acquired 1,41,573 equity shares of Aptech Ltd for 2.6 crores as a part of its treasury operations. This strategic acquisition aligns with the company's diversified investment portfolio. Financially, International Conveyors reported Q2 financial year 25 revenue of 31 crores with an EBITDA margin of 16%, growing by 200 basis points quarter on quarter, showing that the company has focused on sustained growth strategies. Looking ahead, its core segment is poised for 30 to 40% growth as the global mining investments rebound. Next, Vishnu Prakash R Punglia Ltd is engaged in the business of designing and constructing infrastructure projects for the central and state governments. Just secured a 102.1 crore order from the Northwestern Railways for the major bridge construction, adding visibility to the current 4,717 crore order book and the management's guidance for the revenue growth of 10 to 15% for financial year 25. Speaking about the financials for Q2 of financial year 25, the company posted a revenue of 355 crores, which is up by 30.4% quarter on quarter, with EBITDA margins expanding to 15%, growing by 200 basis points. The company aims to increase its order book to turnover ratio by 3x and leveraging India's infrastructure push, making it a compelling growth story. Finally, Praveg Ltd. Praveg, an emerging player in the hospitality and event management sector, announced the opening of its 13th resort in Silvassa with a target of opening 50 resorts and over 2,000 rooms by 2028. The company is aggressively expanding its footprint. Financially, for Q2 of financial year 25, the revenue stood at 31.4 crores, reflecting 34.4 quarter-on-quarter growth with EBITDA margins of 20.5%. The company is optimizing operational costs while targeting high occupancy rates at the new properties up to 40 to 45% over next year. Also reviewing the previous picks. First up, Bondada Engineering Limited covered at 600, now at 654.9, which is up by 9.1%. Advait Infratech Limited covered at 1,515, now at 1849, which is up by 22%. Precall Limited covered at 519, now at 514, which is down by 1%. Zydus Wellness Limited covered at 2025.3, now at 2040.5, which is up by 0.7%. Ashoka Buildcon Limited covered at 252, now at 286.1, which is up by 13.5%. To summarize the today's edition of Noisemaker, first we covered International Conveyors Ltd, which is leveraging its strategic acquisition of Aptech Ltd to enhance its diversified portfolio while targeting a 30 to 40% growth in its core segments. Second, Vishnu Prakash R. Punglia Limited got awarded a 102.1 crore order by the Northwestern Railways and continues to capitalize on India's infrastructure growth with a strong order book. Lastly, Praveg Ltd has scaled its hospitality operations with opening of its new resort at the Silvassa location, targeting significant expansion to over 50 resorts locations and operate more than 2000 rooms in the next 4 years. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. If you missed out on any important detail, please refer to the PDF attached in the description.